Okay, now let's talk about after the Declaration of Independence, what happened. We all kind of assumed that 1776, the Declaration of Independence, was proclaimed and all was well. Not the case. We went to war with England, lost a lot of American lives. When King George of England found out that General George Washington of the colonies was going to lead our efforts, he was elated because George Washington was considered a military failure. Now, indeed, he was a mastermind of military espionage. But at the time that he took over, after immediately following the Declaration of Independence, he had lost more battles than he won. Anyway, he became the commander in chief. We fought, we eventually won. In the meantime, we established the first constitution called the Articles of Confederation in 1777. They weren't ratified until 1781. There's three different types of government structure: Confederacy, Unitary, Federal. The Articles of Confederation were a Confederate. Very few examples of that exist today. Obviously, the Confederate States of America during the Civil War was one example. Some might say the European Union today is another example. The articles were very, very weak, maybe a failure in our government. That's right, the first Constitution was probably a failure. It had no militia, it offered no taxing powers, no currency, and it was no success. The days in American history right after 1776 were troubled. The economy was souring. Things didn't look well. But the patriots continued to strive for independence, for freedom.